Okay, let's put this into a nutshell, a summary between the two. K&N filter versus Uni-filter. How easy is it to clean them? As you saw with the K&N pod filter, which is unfortunately now back on the vehicle and well and truly gone, but this is the more conventional one, to try and compare it with that. Now, if I would have tried to clean this one instead of the pod, well, yeah, I would have done the job a little bit quicker. But the fact is, it's still very laborious. Still a lot of work to get the oil onto these pleats. And as you saw by my video, I was really losing patience of trying to guide that oil straight down the peak of the pleat. And I was missing quite a bit. But in the end, it all worked out okay because the oil absorbed through the pleats, even though I missed them. And you could see that I actually over-oiled the filter a little bit because there was quite a bit of oil draining down the pleats. So very difficult to service these things. Now they're expensive also. $24 for the cleaning kit and the oil that you have to use. Quite expensive, and I think I'll only probably get about, maybe lucky to get a third clean, maybe not, for 24 bucks. So expensive to clean, time consuming as you saw. The video for cleaning the K&N is 3 times the size of the Uni-filter. Alright, very sore on your hands. I would advise if they've got pressurised cans of all this stuff, then you use that instead because it's very tiring. Uni-filter, quick, under 5 minutes. If I wasn't filming it, I would have had this all done and dusted in 5 minutes time. $8 for a bottle of oil, and there's the usage for the 2 elements. I'll get another 2 cleans out of that quite easily, and I still have a little bit left over. So very cheap to service the Uni-filter, very quick to service it. Filtration capability, at this point in time, I'm still sticking with best in the world. Okay, down to 4 microns filtration. K&N cannot boast such fine filtration. Okay, so there it is. Cleaning the 2 filters like chalk and cheese. You can't compare the 2. Quick, easy. Difficult, long time. And as you saw, this nearly took me the whole day for all the waiting time that I had to wait between the drying times for each stage. That can be an all-day job. 5 minutes, done. Back on the car and off again. So that's the comparisons for cleaning, and I hope you enjoyed those videos, and I really think you should consider probably one of these in the future if you're looking for good filtration.